Welcome to ERP for Beginners, Episode 1.
What is ERP, the mental map, before any vendor? Four ideas: the one-liner, why ERP exists, what you get, and what it isn't. By the end, you'll be able to explain ERP in a sentence. Start with the one-liner. ERP is one system of record for all the things a business does. All the things means finance, inventory, sales, production, HR, and reporting, running on one database, accessed through one login. One place where every transaction lives and every report comes from. Why does ERP even exist? Before ERP, a medium-sized company ran on a dozen disconnected tools: an accounting app, a CRM, a warehouse spreadsheet, a separate payroll system. Each one did its job, but none of them talked to the others. That causes three very specific pains. Data goes out of sync. The sales system says shipped. The warehouse says pending. Nobody knows which is right. People re-key data. A salesperson types the order. A clerk types it again. Finance types it a third time. What does ERP actually buy you? Four concrete things. 1. A single source of truth. One number for how much you sold, not four different ones from four different teams. 2. Automated process flows. A sales order automatically reserves stock, schedules the shipment, and creates the invoice. No rekeying. 3. Real-time visibility. Managers see what's happening now, not what was true at yesterday's close. 4. Audit and compliance. One ledger, one control set. Auditors can trace any number back to the posting that created it. ERP sometimes gets confused with its neighbors. Accounting software is just the books. General ledger, accounts payable, receivable. ERP includes all of that, plus everything else. CRM is customer-facing leads, opportunities, contacts. ERP handles the back office. The CRM handles the front. A warehouse management system adds specialist depth, bin-level storage, pick paths, labor tracking. ERP has inventory basics. WMS and best of breed is the alternative stack. Different vendor per function. ERP trades specialist features for integration. So who actually uses ERP? Small businesses under about 50 staff usually don't. QuickBooks plus a spreadsheet handles it. ERP would be overkill. Mid-market 50 to 1,000 staff is the sweet spot. Complex enough to feel the pain, small enough that a mid-market suite fits. Enterprises always run ERP, often several, region by region. Quick recap. ERP is one system of record for a whole business. It replaces the sprawl of 10 disconnected apps with one spine. Four benefits: single truth, automated flows, real-time visibility, audit trail. And it's for mid-market companies and up. Small shops don't need it. Thanks for watching. Next up, how ERP evolved. MRP, MRP2, ERP, and the shift to cloud. Subscribe so you don't miss it.